Hi guys, welcome to our channel Varsha Colors. In this video, Varsha is going to paint a lion portrait. A lion portrait with 3D effects. Not just 3D effects, but also glow-in-the-night effects. She is using glue gun on the outlines of the drawing to create 3D effect, ultimately creating a 3D painting. She is using artist acrylic colors to paint the lion portrait. So it's basically an acrylic painting on canvas. She is using canvas board of Camlin and its size 10 inches by 12 inches. It's a step-by-step painting. The video is intended to give tutorial for beginners or whoever is interested in arts and wants to create one such as this one. This painting is not just a modern art, but also a mixed media modern art because a glue gun is used to create 3D outlines. In order to give portray the glow-in-the-night effect, she is using acrylic neon colors by fevicryl. If you like the portrait, give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed to it, subscribe to it. Hit the bell icon so you always get updates on new creations. To watch more of our videos, head to the channel and watch them. If you have any suggestions, do let her know in the comments. Also, let her know in the comments what you think of the portrait. Thank you for your time, and here we go.